So origin and nature of tidal energy. So the main cause of these tides will be attraction force from the sun and moon. Sun and moon. Okay? Tides are produced by the gravitational attraction of the moon and the sun acting upon the rotating earth. Already you know that. Okay, earth is rotating about its own axis within 24 hours about the sun it is rotating. Okay, within 365 days. That we have seen. The moon exerts out of moon and sun, which will exert more force. Okay, as the moon is nearer to the earth, 70% of the attraction force will be exerted by the okay, moon only. Okay, remaining 30% of attraction force will be exerted by the sun. Surface water is pulled away from the earth on the side facing the moon. Okay, on the side facing the moon, surface water will be okay, pulled away from the earth. You can observe here. Pulled away from the earth. Whereas, so on the other side, surface water will be solid earth pulled away from the water. On the opposite side, okay, so on the opposite side, water is pulled away. Okay, so and thus the ocean height increases at both the near and far sides of the earth. Okay, near and far side of the earth. Okay, the height of the ocean will be increases. And when the sun, earth and moon are aligned approximately, okay, you can observe here. So this is the earth. Okay, and moon and sun. Earth and moon and sun are aligned like this. We have a high tides are spring tides. High tides are spring tides are flood tides you will get. Okay, so if the sun and earth are aligned and moon is okay exactly at right angles, you will have a neap tides. Okay, likewise, if they are aligned, there is a more attraction force. If you have high tides or flood tides are okay, spring tides you will get. Okay, if the moon is in the first quarter or third quarter, you will have a neap tides or low tides or ebb tides. You can say that. Okay, when sun and earth and moon are perpendicular, okay, those are called neap tides. Spring tides, when aligned, all are, you will have spring tides. And if it is in a first quarter or third quarter, okay, if the moon is, already you know that moon is continuously moving. Throughout the earth. Okay, if it is aligned, you will have a spring tides. If it is the first quarter or third quarter, you will have a neap tides. Now you can observe here. Okay, you will have spring tides. Okay, we will have spring tides. Okay, whether it is a new moon or full moon. It is aligned with earth and sun. Okay, you will have a. If it is a new moon, you will have spring tides. If it is a full moon, okay, alignment, you will have a full tides. If it is a first quarter, in the third quarter, you will have a neap tides. That you can observe in this particular figure. So what are the limitations of a tidal energy? Okay, the first limitation will be, okay, only if the tide height is 5 meters, that only the possible location, suitable location for the construction of tidal energy. That is the means. Okay, this will be site specific. Tidal energy is a site specific. You can say that. Next one will be changing tidal range. Okay, so if tidal range changes, automatically what will happen? The output power also changes. The turbines are required to operate at variable heads. Variable head turbines are required. This is also one of the limitation. And the tidal plant disrupts marine life at the location and can cause potential harm to the ecology. Okay, it will disturb the marine life and at location and can cause potential harm to ecology. This is also one of the limitation. Now, how to extract the tidal energy and what are the different components in the tidal energy plant? You will have, okay, so a dam or barrage. You will have a dam or barrage or dike, okay, which is mainly used to hold the water. Dam or barrage mainly used to hold the water. That is the first component. Second component will be sluice ways, which are rapid controlled gates. Which are rapid controlled gates based on the requirement. They will open and close the such that water will be entered and comes out. Entered and comes out. Okay. Next one be a special bulb type power turbine and generator. Okay. So most of the case will use a Kaplan turbine with variable pitch control. With variable pitch of the blades. And the tidal power associated with single filling or emptying of a basin may be estimated as follows. Estimated. Okay, now we can observe here. It mainly consisting of first component dam, second one will be sluice gate, and third component will be turbine in combination with the generator. Mostly Kaplan turbine we will make use. Okay. So here in the basin, this will be area can be called as a basin area. In the basin area, water will be stored. Okay. In the time of high tide, okay, sluice gate will be opened. Water will be entered into the basin. Okay. In the time of low tide, so whatever the water in the basin will be released. That water will be comes out through this wheel. When water is coming out, okay, when there is a low tide, water is released and water is coming out in the time of low tide. So this Kaplan turbine wheels will be rotated such that Kaplan turbine shaft as well as generator will be intercoupled and you will have a electrical output. Okay. So these are the different components. This is the logic how simply high tide sluice gate will be opened, water will be entered into the basin. In the time of low tide, water will be completely released through the so turbine blades such that you will get the mechanical thereby electrical output. You will get this is the basic logic used to extract the tidal energy. What are the different schemes available to extract the tidal energy? What are the different schemes available? You will have, okay, the main schemes are single basin single effect scheme, and single basin double effect scheme is there, two basin linked scheme is there, and last one will be two basin paired basin scheme will be there. Now we will start with single basin single effect. So this will be the diagram. Of a single basin single effect. Okay, you can observe. So a single basin single scheme is as shown in the figure. In the single basin effect, power is generated either during filling or emptying. Okay, in the single basin single effect, power can be generated either while filling the basin or water is coming out from the basin, which is called single effect. Okay, as it is a single effect, either water is flowing inside or water is flowing outside. Okay, you will have the electrical power generation. Two types of operation cycles are possible in the F. Okay, so either F generation cycle or you will have the flood generation cycle. In the flood generation cycle, if the power if the power is generated, that is called as a flood generated cycle. In the F generated cycle, if the power is generated, that is called as a F generated cycle. Okay, likewise you will have two cycles are possible. Okay, once filled, the impounded water is held till the cycle creates a suitable head. Okay, water is now allowed to flow through the turbine coupled to the generator. Okay, till the point. The flow is held till the next generating cycle. The sequence of events is illustrated in the figure. For example, let us say in the time of high tide, the sluice gate will be opened and water is entered. And in the time of low tide, okay, water will be allowed to flow through the power plant such that, Kaplan, from the water Kaplan turbine will extract some mechanical energy, there will be electrical energy can be generated. Now if you observe here, the power is generated in the time of low tide power is generated. This is F generation cycle, you can call it. Next thing, so when there is a high tide, the water is allowed to flow through the power plant such that power will be generated in the case of high tide or spring tide, such that this is called as a high tide generation cycle. Okay, so you can call like that 2 generation cycles you will have. Okay, the sequence will be as shown here. Okay, you can observe the sequence here. So in the time of filling, once it is filled, the slice gate will be closed. Slowly, it is going to be decreased. Tide is going to be decreased. Then the water is allowed to flow through the. Okay, exactly at this point, water is allowed to flow through the power plant such that electrical energy generation will be started. Okay, until low tide electrical energy is generated. Once the tide is going to be rise. When the tide is going to be rise, automatically what they will do? Slice gate will be opened again. Water will be filled in the basin. This is the sequence cycle. How? So generation will take place. This is the sequence that you can observe. Single basin, single effect. Okay. So here the energy required for pumping must be borrowed and repaid. The pumping is done against a small head at high tide, whereas the small water is released through the turbine during low tide at a great head, producing a net energy gain. So now the second one will be single basin double effect. In the time of high tide, water will be allowed through the powerhouse, then power generation will take place. And in the time of low tide also, water will be coming out from the powerhouse only such that you will have a power generation both in the time of high tide and So this is called as a double effect scheme. Okay. So here in the double effect scheme, see the sequence. So generating mode, slide gate will be closed. Here. Okay. So slide gate will be closed. Then tide is going to be decreased. Up to here we will wait. Later generation will start. Generation will start until you will have a very low tide. Okay. So here again you will have a slide gate will be closed, and again in the high tide also, in the low tide case as well as high tide case we are providing generation. So this will be called as a 2 basin 2 effect scheme. Okay, the sequence will be like that. Filling. In the filling time there will be power generation. Okay, in the filling time there will be power generation, and emptying time also there will be. This will be in the filling time. Okay, you will have power generation, and as well in the case of emptying time also you will have power generation. In the emptying and filling time there is a generation of power. This can be called as 2 effect scheme. 2 basin linked basin scheme. Okay. In order to generally in the before case you may not be able to produce a continuous power supply. Okay. Whereas here a method is developed to provide a continuous power supply in the tidal power plant. In order to maintain continuity of power supply, linked and pair based schemes are used. The linked basin scheme consisting of 2 basins. One topped up at a high tide and the other emptied at low tide. Okay. So first one will be high tide and topped up in the high tide, other will be topped up in the low tide. Okay. Likewise, thus a permanent head is created between the 2 basins. Water flow through the turbine from the high basin to the low basin. Okay. So it will be filled in the high tide and water will be released. Okay, in the low tide case. Okay, continuously what it will be filled, continuously released. Okay, such that continuously power will be generated in a 2 basin linked mechanism. Next, 2 basin paired mechanism. Instead of using a single construction, we will use so high tide basin and low tide basin. Okay, so both will have a powerhouses. Okay, in the high tide time. Okay, so in the high tide time water will be entered. The upper high tide power generation cycle that will operate. Okay, the lower one will operate at a low tide power generation cycle. For example, you can observe it. If this is the high tide basin and this is the low tide basin, here both the cases will have a powerhouse. So in the low tide case, water will be entered through the powerhouse, and power will be generated, and normally water will be released back. In the low tide case, water will be entered and comes out in the high tide case. Likewise, two bases will be used, individual powerhouses. One will provide at a high tide, another will provide at a low tide, so that continuously power will be generated. But this scheme is very inferior when compared with the single basin scheme. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Anil, ఆపేసి ఇప్పుడు ఎంతసేపు వస్తుంది చూడు.